Hi guys, in this video I will discuss about SQL operators. SQL operators are the mathematically and equality symbols used to compare, evaluate, or calculate values. Equality operators. Equality operators includes less than, greater than, and equal. Equality involves comparing two values. Equality operators often seen in the word clause. For example, where student ID is equal to 1. The mathematical operators. Mathematical operators includes addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. Modulus is the remainder of the two numbers. For example, 15 modulus by 4 is equal to 3 because 15 divided by 4 is equal to 3, remainder of 3. Then, the logical operators. Logical operators includes and or. It compares two values or expression. Now, let's try to use it in MS SQL Server 2008. So, let's try the equality operators first. For example, select all from student information where student ID is less than or equal to 4. Then, press the execute button, and there it is. Select all from student information where student ID is less than or equal to 4. 1 is less than 4, 2 is less than 4, 3 is less than 4, and 4 is equal to 4. So, that's why we have 4 results in the first statement. Select, then we'll try to use the equal, then execute it. There you go. Student ID, last name, first name, middle name. Student ID number 4 because where student ID is equal to 4. That's why we only have one row in the result set. Then let's try the greater than 4. So try to up. This is greater than 4. Then press the F5 key. Then see, there is no result because there is no student ID that is greater than 4. That is the equality operators, and let's now try the mathematical operators. Let's try select, then let's say 15 plus 4, then try to add this addition. Then press the execute button. Incorrect syntax near. We don't need to use this anymore because we don't have another variable. So press execute button, and there it is. No column name 19. So we need to add, let's say, as addition. Then there it is. Press the execute button. Addition 19. Then let's try the other one. Select. We don't need to use the select anymore. We just add the column, the comma here. Then let's say 15 minus 4 as subtraction. Then 15 times 4 as multiplication. Then 15 divided by 4 as division. Then 12 modulus by 4 as modulus. Then press the F5 up. We don't need to press the F5 key yet. We just need to add comma here, here, and here, and then press the execute button, and there you go. Addition, because 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. Then subtraction, 15 minus 4 is equal to 11. 15 times 4 is equal to 60. Division, 15 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Then 12 divided by 4 is equal to 0. 0 because modulus is equal to remainder. Let's try the 15 divided by 4 as modulus, then press the execute button again. Then there you go. Modulus is equal to 3 because 15 divided by 4 has a remainder of 3. We'll discuss about later the logical operators, and I will provide some real world scenario as well. So thank you for watching. This is the SQL operators.